Quiz Falcon here, and it's time to take a general knowledge science quiz designed to test the basics and stretch your brain. From biology to physics, we're covering it all. Ready to take this challenge? Let's dive in. What gas do humans primarily exhale? Carbon dioxide. What is the largest organ in the human body? The answer is skin. What part of the cell contains genetic material? It's the nucleus. What organ pumps blood throughout the body? Heart. What galaxy do we live in? Milky Way. What is the study of earthquakes called? It's the option C. Which of these is a renewable energy source? Option C. What is the largest type of big cat? The answer is option A. What is the human body's longest bone? Option A. What is the process of a liquid turning into a gas? Evaporation. What is the basic unit of life? The answer is cell. Which element has the chemical symbol O? It's an oxygen. How many bones are in the adult human body? (206). What is the closest star to Earth? The Sun. What is the freezing point of water in Celsius? (0°C). Which metal is liquid at room temperature? The answer is mercury. What is Earth's largest ocean? Pacific Ocean. What is the study of rocks called? Geology. Which of these is a mammal? It's option C. What is the main component of the sun? Option B. What is the pH value of pure water? Option B is correct. What does a thermometer measure? Option B. Which blood type is the universal donor? Option C is right. What is the chemical symbol for gold? The answer is AU. What organ helps you breathe? It's the lungs. What do bees collect from flowers? Nectar. What force keeps us on the ground? Gravity. How many planets are in our solar system? It's an option 8. What gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. Tell me one fact you learned today, and if you love mixing fun with learning, subscribe to Quiz Falcon for more knowledge-packed quizzes.